Yes. I don't know what happened with my YouTube. I was not able to do the live. It's a new channel. There is only few subscribers, so due to some reason, I was not able to go for live. Anyway, I'm back. So the update is my last challenge. I failed because I did not. I didn't follow my trading rules. I was. I don't know. I was not doing it properly. Then I lost the challenge. I was very sad because I could do better. I knew I could do better. So what I did, I put a new challenge yesterday. Then I took a trade yesterday. Let me check before am I live. Yes, I'm alive. I'm live. I can see myself on my YouTube. Mic is on. Camera is on. Okay. So what I did yesterday where the market opened. This, yeah, this was yesterday. Uh, so I will go. What I marked. I marked for early low and for early high. Okay. This was for early. And I went to 5 minutes. This is somewhere where the market open for. Yeah, this was the market open for the daily. The pre-market open here. So this was the daily low, and this was London high, and somewhere here was the London low. Here where the market open 9:30, 19:30. Then market came down all the way to take this low resistance liquidity. Especially what I marked was small time frame. Small time frame point of interest. That is, this is the only one fair value gap for the for the day that is not filled after the. So this low will happen before the Latin section. So this was the low time frame POI, and what I noticed came down to the low time frame POI, then it's rejected. When I went to the 1 minute candle, is you can see here where it is. Yeah, see, this is a rejection candle. I always say it's a power releasing candle or selling of candle, buying of candle, whatever. So this was my entry, and my stop loss was 8 point. Yeah, I could target for all way to the London Eye, but you know, in previous challenge, what I was doing, I was so greedy. I normally put like 50 points, sometimes 30 points. I was not following my rules. So what I did, I want to take 30 points as my profit. I was happy with that. Okay, so I did 30 point. Especially I know that it's gonna go up because you know it's draw down the price draw down to the daily lowest point. Then there is only one way it needs to go. It's high, but this was my target and it hit. Normally, what I see is some prices going like this, and around 4 o'clock, 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, in between 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, the price normally drop at least for like 20-30 points. I have seen that many times. But as per my rule, I have to take only one trade here. But I broke my rule again because I was keep looking into the chart. Then I saw one opportunity around 4 o'clock. Where was it? No, here somewhere. 12:30. 5 minutes. Yeah, what I noticed. I know. Oh, this is 1 minute. I need to go to 5 minutes. That's why I'm looking. Okay, so after hit the repeat, I thought, okay, this is my day. I call it off, and I will not look into the chat. But what happened? I was keep looking, keep looking, keep looking, and finally, the price reached here. Then it gave a very long rejection candle. Also a break of structure here. So what I did enter on the this break of structure, and I was hoping the price will go down and take at least go to this fair value gap, which is not filled. But and my take profit was like 20. I thought, okay, I will take 20 points. Just 20 points will be okay for me. But price had some other plans. It reverted and took my stop loss. Yeah, so again I broke my rule and I ended up losing. I don't want to do it again. Man, I don't want to do it again. I don't want to do it again. So painful. It's so painful. So painful. You cannot afford losing anymore. Okay, it's almost 9 o'clock. So 30 minutes for market open. We can just do our analysis now. First, I will check the news. Is there any news today? Where is calendar? Today is 28 Wednesday. FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. Yeah, that's why market is. I don't know. And what about tomorrow? Tomorrow, tomorrow we got unemployment times and prelim GDP. Yeah, kind of things that we need to core PC. Yeah, it's only 8:30 news tomorrow and after tomorrow. Today is gonna be big news around 2 o'clock. So if we are on any trade, I would like to close before 2 o'clock. That's kind of thing I'm looking for at the moment. And what else I want to say? I'm just checking if I'm still on live. I'm just checking if I'm still on live. Yes, I'm alive. I'm live. Okay, so what's what's the daily price doing? Oh, daily price is giving us okay. Is how much is the range? Is almost 36. There's the last how many hours? It's almost 10, 11 hours. No, it's 15 hours already. It's give 30 points range. Almost 30-point range. That means it's not moving much. It's not moving much. I don't know why. It's not moving much. Uh, there is gap, weekly gap here and here. What I expecting in this week, and not this week, maybe next week, or and the price is gonna come at least this point, and gonna bounce back from there. So I knew price is gonna come here, go here. So this is my prediction. I want to see price going here and bounce, and is everyone will get a opportunity to buy things, you know. So keep that price range. Why is coming? It's not moving. Yeah. So what I'm looking today is it's already, I don't know, it's bounced back from this fair value gap, and it's already normally if we see something like this we can buy here because it's gonna go up. But after another candle, they should be going either way or consolidate price. I don't know what is price is gonna do. I will just do my routine. Okay. I got my trading checklist. Where is my checklist? Yes, this is my checklist. So I'll write it here. What's the date? Today is 28. What is market? Why is the market moving? I don't know because there is no news. So probably for the liquidity. So it's the external influences. I don't see any news or any tweet or anything from Donald Trump or anything. I don't see anything that could move the market from outside. So it should be internal influence. What is the bias? That's a very difficult question for today because I don't have a bias at the moment. Honestly, I don't have bias. What I can do is I can mark this high and this low and this low and this high and this is the highest high and there is a lot of highs. So we can assume maybe price wanna go here and take all this highest liquidity. Okay, price can do that, or price can take this high already and can go and go all the way here to take this low. But if we check the fundamental, what is fundamental? It's already break. There is a fair value gap. Price came down to the fair value gap and it's reacting. So price can go up. But I don't have a exact I don't have a exact bias at the moment. But most probably what I'm thinking the price is gonna go up. Price gonna go up. The hourly is already closed above this. So price could come here on this fair value gap and take high or take any low, or maybe this is the London low, so price could come and take this low and react and go up. Price can do that. So I don't have bias at the moment. Honestly speaking, I don't have bias. So what I mark now is for hourly low. I'm gonna write. When I write it, I will. It's easy for me. hourly low. Not sure is this London low. Okay, these are my high time frame thing. Let me check the 1 hour. And I want to check one more thing. Is the fair value gap. Is the fair value gap 50% is covered? So if I want to see, I want to see 5 minutes. So with the market open 18 hours. Here the market open. Okay. Here with the market open and it made all like lower and came down to here. Is there any significant? No. There is a lot of fair value gap that needs to be taken, but anyway, price came here, so it's 3 o'clock. Okay, so this is 3 o'clock, where the London time started and created a low. So this is 4 hourly low plus 4 hourly and London low. Okay, so what happened? Market open and this is daily high and this is daily low, also London low. And market came down here and reacted and took this daily high. Honestly, it's closed above that. Again took that high. So market could go up or this is the daily low and London low. So maybe price could come here and take this the fair value gap. Okay. So I don't know. This already this is called what we call this is kind of confluence. I forgot about that. Okay, technically it's going down. Break of structure to downside, and this is called I forgot the name for this. Yeah, it could go all the way down to take this low. There is so these are the possibility, and we have one more thing I want to mark it out because this is a rally. Okay, from here market rally. What's that? Almost 905 to 930 was 20, 25 points. So I want to mark this one also. This is the small time frame equilibrium. Okay, small time equilibrium. After market open, price could come here and react and go up, or after market open, price could go. So I will mark this one also for Orly high and London high. This is our current London high. Okay. Okay. Put it here. So this is our London high. This so what I did, I made my high time frame liquidity where price could go, and I marked my POIs, high time frame POIs, that is London high and London low. And also this is small time frame POI. That means if the price come here and react from this area, like price came here and closed above this and reacted like this, we could take a chance, there is a chance to go up. And other one is after market open, price go and take this high and reacted, we could enter, maybe it will go here. So these are the two chances we have. One, ting, ting. Other one is ting, 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 ting. Okay. So we can wait for the market to open. 14 minutes to open the market. So let's wait for it. So I will fill my what do you call trading sheet. So this is next only internal influence. So what is my bias? So I will check my 4 hourly. 4 hourly is already I cannot say because if the 10 o'clock when 10 o'clock is closed above this, then we can say yeah, it's breakout, it's gonna go up. At the moment I cannot say it. So 4 hourly is on running. 4 hourly is still running. Need wait till 10 a.m. to identify the bias. If I don't see, I told you about two chances that I'm gonna look. If those not happen till 10 o'clock, I need to see where this client is closing. If it's closing above this high, that means the price gonna go up. Okay. If not close like this, then we can assume that price gonna go down. So if I don't see anything in any of my two plan that I told earlier, I'm not gonna trade till 10 o'clock. Then I will try my bias, then only I will trade. So I don't have bias. So 4 hourly is still running, 1 hourly. Hourly is already reacted and closed as high. So hourly is a bullish. Hourly is bullish. And 15. Yeah, I don't know. What is 50 minutes doing? 5 minutes. So what are the confluences we have? We have to kind of think we can do. Can wait the market after open, take this low and go here. Or come here somewhere and rebound and enter here and looking for the taking this high. So small time frame. I don't have honestly I don't have anything for the small time frame. There is not even the fair value gap. You know, if the price coming down is gonna take the low. That's for definitely because there is one fair value gap. Price wanna come is gonna come all the way here. I'm 100% sure. So let's see. Let's what this happened. This happened at 8:40. So I don't have a bias at the moment. Anyway, trading plan on internal influence. Mark high time trade liquidity, yes, but I mark for early low and high London high and low, London high and low, and small time frame for early fair. It's a small time frame. This is my small time POIs. That is, you know, 50 percentage of this small. One is also a point of interest. Then watch for the pressure. Okay, so I don't I made two plans. Okay, one is okay. Let me write it. At the moment, I have two plans for before 10 o'clock. Plan one is after market open, the price take London high and react. We go for short. Uh, Plan two, if the price come down to small time frame, that is equilibrium. If small time frame POIs react, go for long. So these are two plans till 10 o'clock. Okay, this is not happening till 10 o'clock. Then we will wait for the what we will do. We will wait for the 4 hourly candle to close and we will decide our bias. Okay, so I'm gonna take only one trade. Set the TP, set stop loss, let it play, let it play. If I lose, I lose. If I win, if I win. The only thing I need to do is follow your plan. 7 more minutes to open the market. Oh, let me make it hot. It's so cold. Okay, I'm back. 5 more minutes to open the market. So there is one. If the price goes above this and market open, price may go to this fair value gap. React. You could enter. You could enter. Go for short. See, price already broke the structure to downside. Left a fair value gap. Man, this is what we call head and shoulder. Head and shoulder pattern. I forgot the name for this. I have seen TGR. What we call it for this is something like this. Price will go to so it's after taking the liquidity. So this is why my memory is very bad. Let's check the overall market. Let's check the overall market. Ooh, is it doing good? What does it show here? It's not much movement. NVDA, Amazon, Meta, Exxon, everything sitting like this. Wow, I love coffee. Okay, 2.5 minutes to open the market. Let's see what the market is gonna do with us. Man, this is the tricky one because we cannot make any bias at the moment. We can say okay, it's reacting from the here, so it maybe go up. But this 4 hourly candle, can you see after taking the liquidity, it's gonna go down maybe. How I know? There is no way to know. But what I know, if it is go up, actually it's gonna take these at least these highs, or at least 53. Maybe I can target, I don't know, 30 points. We'll see. If it going down 20 points, I don't know. Today's so complicated. I can't make my best. 1 minute to open the market hourly. Let's check the hourly. Yeah, hourly is also can't make, cannot make a decision. There is, if you cannot make a decision, what you will do? Just sit down and watch the market. The market is gonna play your story, play your plan, jump in. Otherwise, just relax. It's not necessary to do the trade today. See, it's going to that fair value gap and relax. It's gonna go down, man. Oh, it's gonna take those highs. Okay, market opened already. 30 seconds after market opens. Let's see how the meta doing. $5 was 1%. Nothing is done 1%. So no idea. No idea what's 445. This thing, totally is gonna go to the fair value gap because it's already taken the high. There is no point market needs to go to that high. Okay, let's mark this fair value gap as our small time frame POI. Okay, let's see the 1 minute. No, I'm not happy with that candle. I'm not happy with that candle. If it is closed like this here somewhere, then I will say, yeah, it's a pressure off. This is not a pressure off. This is came down to this area and let me we don't find this now. That's why I said I'm not happy about that candle. I have two plans. One is take this high, react, uh, react. No, I won't take this reaction because it's too risky. I will wait. I don't have a plan. I will wait. Yeah, this is already invalid. This one is invalid. No need to take that. Still we got plan. The one is take this high, react, take shot. Just it's not even 1 point. What's the high? High is 32.3. Oh, just it needs to go at least this point. Yeah. Oh, is that that's for only highs. So this high is already invalid. Can move it here. London high is also invalid. Okay, because price didn't react to that. If we go to 5 minutes, you can see that. Okay, price didn't react. Kind of thing. No, don't fall for that. Don't fall for that. There is no any sign that price gonna reverse at the moment. I think I need to wait for 10 o'clock to see the news about this. So complicated. Oh no. this was kind of my thing. Okay, so my plan did not work till 10 o'clock. So what I'm doing, I'm waiting for 10 o'clock to see how this 4 hourly candle closes. If the price closes below this line, I will definitely go for short. And this would be my take profit. The other thing, is this didn't give a break of structure to downside yet. Also reacted from this. Man, this is why so complicated. I don't understand. Whatever. My bias is for sure. Okay. My bias is for short because it's close below this for early high. Okay. What I want to see is very 5 minutes. Okay. There's a fair value gap. I want to take this off. This is the biggest fair value gap we have. Okay. This is the equilibrium of that fair value gap. Okay. And if we go to 1 minute chart, yeah, can see. At least I want to see the price come here and give a reaction. Then I will go for short. Here or here. I want to see the price come here. Maybe take this high, then give a reaction. I'll be happy to go for short.
To save for 20 fucking years to save for a deposit on a home in Australia. Meaning I'm going to be fucking 40 years old before I end up putting this deposit down on this house. And that's also assuming the house prices don't go up in the next 20 years, which obviously it fucking is. The thing that's fucking crazy though is I always scroll on my phone, right, and I see these kids making so much money from their phone. I make 50k in a year. These cunts are making 50k in a month. And I keep thinking to myself, why the fuck can that not be me? And look, even though I'm super skeptical about the whole thing, I've decided I'm going to give it a crack because this job is not fucking working. So what I'm going to do is document my journey here on my Instagram. Drop me a follow if you want to see the journey. And let's fucking do it, bro. If you hate your job too, drop me a follow. We're in this together. Let's do it. How the fuck are you supposed to? New Zealand citizens and residents will get free GP visits.
some reason my live is gonna cut. I will update later.